Welcome back, beautiful people. There we go. We got Temu. Okay, let's see what I got in this haul. No, we're not doing that one. I got my prices right here. I did end up downloading the Temu app so I could save some coins. And I had a $5 credit from last time. Just show you how packaged it is right now. Kind of wild. All right. So, there's so many things. Wait. What's that? Oh, this is really cute. These are the diaper. Not diaper. They are dog poop bags. Poop bags. To hold it, okay? So, Gigi already has one that I got from the store. But this one is super cute. Look, it says good vibes. I don't know why there's a cat there. Why is there a cat? Okay, there's a dog. It says Wolf. Home sweet home. Let's see how much this is. This is, and I bought doggy bags. So this was $2.38. I don't think you can beat that price. It has a nice little clip. Hold on, we're gonna do that. It has a nice little clip. I'm pretty sure you could throw this in the wash or wash it by hand. The zipper pouch with the hole there to pull the bags through. Love this. I'm gonna add this to her leash. Hold on.
Blue on the top.
Yeah, we're gonna get to it. And then this is a tape measurer. So like if you are trying to measure your waist, or if you don't know what your sizes are, I have one of these old school measuring things. Just wait. You said you weren't gonna talk. The agreements that happened before the show, right? So I got two of these, one pink and one light blue. They were 49 cents. And I mean, it does feel a little cheap, but it's got metric and then inches over there. So centimeters and inches. But what I like is a little button. You can stop it and then retract it. So I bought another one. And he's opening this one, which is a whistle. I was thinking for Gigi. Just a regular whistle. How much was this? Whistle while we work. I barely can whistle. Can you whistle? Can anybody whistle? Oh, this was 44 cents. So another good buy. And I got decoration stuff because I ordered it from Shein last time. So let's see if it's about the same. This is a little different, right? So, supposed to be leaves.
Oh, this is leaves.
Yeah, they're the eucalyptus stem, $1.98. This is pink, that's gold. So, they do look a little different. If you missed any of my Shein or Temu hauls, go check them out. They're all under the unboxing. So this one's different because it has like a leaf and a bud. And the other one was just pink leaves. And I think they were green stems. But you can see how that would work once you straighten it out. For the price, not bad. Okay, and then this is the gold one. Same price. You just have to tweak it a little bit, and they are a little bit different. But I figured like the pink and the gold would go very nicely together. I actually got 3 of the,
Got another poop bag.
oh, they're calling it brown. I got 3 of the brown. No, don't open those. And then I got 4 of the pink.
Another poop bag. Another.
They jam a lot of stuff in this bag.
Okay.
Okay, some more leaves. Just wait. Listen. No. You're trying, but I want to do everything that's the same first so I don't miss anything. Okay, so there's more pink. I'm going to put those up for decoration. Alright, what was this that you handed me? Some sort of mesh here. Hold on. Oh, one plastic bag mesh, $1.19. So this is cheaper than the Dollar Tree, right? So I don't know why I got this, but it's to hold plastic bags. So if you get a lot of plastic bags when you go shopping, you just hang this on the hook like that, and then you can pull the plastic bags from down here. This is going to work out really awesome too.
Mom, I got that for you.
And then I did get some stickers. I didn't see that last time, so I got a bunch of stickers. This one is,
I got that for you.
yeah, quote stickers. Quote stickers. This was $1.78 for 100 pieces. So I'm not going to open because they'll just go flying. But they're really cute. They have really nice sayings. So I figured that would be great to like put in some giveaway bags. And then he did mention that we got some poop bags. So I got blue, I got gold. The poop bags were 98 cents and they are biodegradable. So that's pretty cheap. Let's see, how many did I get? So I got blue. They're calling it yellow. Oh, actually, hold on. So there are different ones. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, hold the phone. Okay, the purple is 98 cents. I did find that. Yellow, 98 cents. And there's another one. Where's the blue one? Because I want to give you the right prices. One roll. So maybe this is the one roll was 48 cents. And then I got this pack. This is 10 rolls, right? Yep, 10 rolls for $4.18. Okay, any more poop bags? Here's the light blue tape measure. Okay, so I think that's it for the doggy bags. We're gonna do this one. So I got these perfume itemizers. I don't know what you call them, but it's a high grade perfume bottle. The blue one was $1.08, and I've seen these everywhere. I'm not sure how great the quality is, but essentially you take this off and it's a little perfume sprayer, right? And then what you do is on the bottom right here, it collects the perfume, and you hook this up to the top of your perfume bottle and like suck it up, and then you can travel with this instead of bringing your perfume bottles. So I got that blue one, and then I got a silver one for 68 cents. I think these are just great. Let's see. Plus, we're traveling soon, so this is really going to come in handy. So it's probably a volume difference, right? No, this one has a black cap, and you can see like the level of how much perfume is there. So handy. Okay, more stickers. This video is all over the place. So this one, stickers for the water bottle. I think this is pink cute stickers is all it says. Yeah, 53 pieces for 99 cents. So you could put this on your water bottle, your little thermos. And then these are the mandala ones, 60 pieces. Kind of hard to see. So let me just show you.
That's mandala.
No. So you get little mandalas. Very cute. 60 pieces for $1. Okay. I don't want this to get lost. All right. And then I had to order a new chain for Jeej, because the other one that I ordered was too big for her poor little neck. So $3.99. This was size, yeah, size large. Look at that. This might fit her better. I mean, obviously it's not real gold, but it's got some bling bling. And, you know, dogs like jewelry too. Do they?
No, the last one is the giant one.
Yeah, but we're going to do the stuff that's already open.
Yeah.
And then this is a aluminum locking hook. This I use for her leash. So this one is different though. So you do it like that, and then it should pop out, right? Oh yeah, goes on the inside. So I could put this on her leash. I also use this for like on the stroller. You can hang your purse. You can hang a bag on there. That's pretty good. That was 98 cents. Hold on. Then I got these two bandana headbands. The white one is a boho headband for $1.78. So that's what that looks like. Let's see if it's actually... Oh, that's cute!
Can I wear that one?
No. The black one is paisley print, $1.58. 52 cents. $1.52. Oh, I'm not gonna wear it, Nikki. You're so silly. But I like the little bow on the top. Super cute. Yeah. Put that on my desk there. And then there's something in here.
I'm wearing it.
Come on, Luke's. This is cool. Oh, more hooks. More hooks. So this is a 3-piece. $1.79 for the hooks. Yeah, I like these, especially for the dogs. For the what?
Can you show them these?
What? You want me to open this? All right. I think this might be the mop. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
So I did get a mop. So let's see what this is, or this might be something else entirely. Yep, this is the mop. I've been seeing these mops to like clean the bathroom, clean the floor. So it has 2 pieces here. Feels kind of cheap. It's $6.38, but this is what it looks like. It's got the angled brush. It also has this squeegee part right here. If you guys can tell, you can get into the corners. It's very hard bristles. Yeah, I gotta put that together, and I'll let you guys know how that worked out. There's a big thing in here. I feel like, oh yeah, we are missing. Oh, this is a pair of socks. Was it 1 piece? I guess 1 pair, 89 cents. These are like low cut. I'm gonna wash these though.
Okay.
Those are like my socks. But that's cute.
Those are like my socks.
Yeah. And then this last thing here.
Let's open it.
Oh, this is for Gigi.
Daddy.
A toy for her. So this is to help with the mind. So like you put treats in here and then you lock it, and she's supposed to try to figure it out.
Oh.
So she can get the treat. It's like a busy toy. So, let's see. Feels kind of easy to use. How much was that?
Mom, you can
She's going to figure that out instantly. $7.18.
If we lock it.
Yeah. I mean, that's cool. And then I had one last thing. This is like under the door draft. So, like if you have too big of a spacing here, it was $1.39. I feel like this was a good price. I probably could have made it with pool noodle or whatever. That's an option. But it was there. And Temu always has free shipping. So, let's see. You can see the groove on the inside. And it just slides right under the door. And you get rid of that draft. But basically, it's just styrofoam. So, feels kind of cheap. But I mean, it is. It's like a pool noodle cut in half, like a hot dog. I think it's great. Yeah. All right, let me know what you guys think of this haul. I spent,
So we get to pick her up and put her here?
no, she just plays with it. I spent $51, 30 items, A credit was applied. There was like some $68 bundle. I don't know. They always have bundle deals on the app. Like you have to use it within a certain amount of time to get that deal. So I don't know, but I definitely will let you know about how this works because I was really interested, like scrubbing out the shower. You could do that, or scrubbing tile. I feel like it would work. I'm not sure how this little squeegee thing will work. But anyway, guys, let me know what item you thought was pretty cool, and have you tried Temu? This is my 5th Temu haul. And every time I'm getting something different, so it's pretty neat. And I want to thank my co-host. He's leaving the building. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. If you love this video, hit that like button. If not, come back for more unboxings and try-ons. And I will see you in the next video. Stay safe. Little